Sketch a dragon with me. Start with a circle for the head, S-curve for the neck and triangle shape for the snout, oval for the jaw shape and triangle shape for the horns. Add a line for the brow, circle for the eye, draw in the mouth shape and a little nose. Start to detail the face. I focus on the eyes. Add some details to the neck and start to add a few scales. Start shading around the eye. Add more details to the neck and some teeth. Erase your starting circle and S-curve. Add more details like the pupil and more scales. Darken lines where you want focus, like around the eye. Mix up different types of scales, shape, and sizes. Keep building up more details. Add a little shading and textures. Change to a darker, larger pencil, and start going over the details again. Using a smudge tool, add more shading. Keep shading to build up values. Lots of shading and darkening lines. Add some texture with charcoal brush. If working traditional, use the side of your pencil. Detail scales and add some small lines to give it a more interesting look. Keep shading until you're happy with the look. Follow for part 2.